Hello everyone, welcome to Sage Group. I am Praveen Katiya, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department from SIRTE. Now we are talking the subject of building construction, and the next topic is foundation and its types. Now function of foundation. The function of foundation is to distribute weight of the structure over a large area, to prevent unequal settlement, to provide level surface for the structure, prevent undermining, stability against sliding and overturning, to minimize distress against a soil movement. Now types of foundation, basically shallow foundation and deep foundation. And a shallow foundation are categorized into five types of footing: isolated footing, combined footing, strap footing, grillage footing, mat and raft footing. Deep foundation are of piles, cofferdam and caisson. Now this is shallow foundation. Isolated footing and pad foundation. These straps or pad used to transfer the load from walls, column to soil or bedrocks. Combined footing used when the two columns are so close to each other that their individual footing would overlap, and when the property lines is so close to one column that a spread footing would be eccentrically loaded when kept entire within the property lines. By combining it with that for the interior columns, the load is evenly distributed. Now, strap footing. Strap footing when the dependent footing of two columns are connected by a beam. It is called a strap footing. It is used when the distance between the column is so great that a combined trapezoidal footing becomes a quite narrow with a high bending moment. The strap beam doesn't remain in contact with soil and thus does not transfer any pressure to the soil. The strap assumed to be infinite stiff serves to transfer the column of load on the soil with equal and uniform soil pressure under both footing. Now shallow foundation. Shallow foundation categorized a grillage footing, mat or raft footing. Grillage footing, a foundation where iron rails and structural beam are combined in a crisscross pattern and encased in a concrete to support building weight without heavy stone or any need of heavy excavation. Mat and raft footing. Mat or raft footing. These are used to distribute the load from the heavy columns across the entire area to the lower contact pressure. It weaks the soil within the higher concentrated load. Now deep foundation. Deep foundation are piles. First of all, piles, a foundation through the which a load is transferred from the superstructure to the bedrock, which is deep within the soil by resting in the rock through the surface friction. Sometimes they are also used for a lateral stability or compaction. Caisson. It is a watertight box-like structure, round or rectangular, which is sunk from the surface of either land or water to work on foundation of a bridge pier, concrete dam, or the repair of ships. Deep foundation, the cofferdam. These are temporary enclosures in rivers, lakes, etc., built around a working area for the purpose of excluding water during the construction. Thank you so much.